Today we're here at the International Auto Show 2025, happening at the Metro Convention Center in downtown Toronto from February 14th to the 23rd. We're going to be taking a look at different vehicles that will be launching this year and in the coming years. Today is the media day for media just to explore and look at different vehicles, what's available at the auto show. This is Toronto 360 TV showing you what's available at the Auto Show. This is a booth where they have exotic vehicles. They have Ferraris, Lamborghinis. Some of them are vendors that are showcasing their vehicles here. They have interactive experiences for people that will be visiting the Canadian International Auto Show. Some vintage cars. Different vendors showcasing the vehicle. These are vehicles that will be available or are might not be for sale, but they're just showcasing special vehicles available. There's multiple floors that are available to explore. So each floor has different vehicle manufacturers that you can take a look at.
Some older Lamborghinis as well as the new Countach.
And this will be running from tomorrow, February 14th to the 23rd at the Metro Convention Center in downtown Toronto. Official media here today taking a look at what will be available tomorrow for the general public. Some old vintage vehicles.
Heard that story before. And yeah, so I paid for it.
If you would like to see any vehicle, you can comment below, and this will be available on TikTok, Facebook. Don't forget to follow us on our social media to stay tuned.
I agree.
We have some new Cadillac EV vehicles that will be launching this year. This is the first time this vehicle is being debuted in Canada for the Canadian market. There are two different variants. This one is the concept. It's a drop top EV vehicle. I've yet to see EV vehicles that are drop top, so this is a new innovation from Cadillac. As I mentioned before, there are multiple floors. We will be taking a look at most of them and showing our viewers, our followers, what's available. There's another, you can say, setup for Hot Wheels. Two vehicles available here. Some items for sale here. different vehicles. It's a place where you can bring your whole family. There's everything. There's something for everybody here. Something for the kids and the car enthusiasts. Different collectibles. Different here. Let's take a look. There's also vendors here selling their items. Today is the official media day, so it's not that crowded. Just media is here today. This is at the Metro Convention Center in downtown Toronto. You can search. It's right beside the Rogers Centre CN Tower. If you search up Canadian International Auto Show, you'll be able to find tickets for this and more information. So you can search Canadian International Auto Show happening at the Metro Convention Center in downtown Toronto. So we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the other manufacturers that are available showcasing their vehicles. So there's multiple floors of this venue. Different floors have different manufacturers showcasing their vehicles. Some of the vehicles that are manufactured that are downstairs are these ones that we just took a look at. A Barbie Maserati.
I already scanned you, right?
So this is a new company, VinFast, that is launching electrical vehicles in Canada. This is their VF8, all electric vehicles. If you compare this to Tesla and other companies, Nissan, it's almost up to par. Some revisions were made to the VinFast in recent years to make it more compatible, more you can say, to compete with other manufacturers. This is their VF9. So at a full charge, it will give you 531 kilometers. Starting price is $77,321. This looks like a 7-seater. Pretty well-built interior, comfortable interior. The rear seats can be pulled up. Soft closing doors. This is the VF9 from VinFast. Now there's other manufacturers here, Kia, Ram, Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, Jeep, Ram, Mercedes is also there, Nissan, Hyundai, Infiniti. We'll start at Kia first. So most manufacturers, what I've noticed today, are showing their EV vehicle, electric vehicles, because this is what they want to introduce to the market. There are some EV vehicles available from every manufacturer, so they want to showcase their vehicles to the consumers. This is a really well attended event at Metro Convention Center. Pina International Art Show will be running from tomorrow 14th to the 23rd of February. So different vehicles from Kia, the EV9. This is the electric Telluride. So most vehicles, they just add electric, you can say combination or electric motor to it, because most people are used to the vehicle, the brand, the models. So just add an electric concept to the vehicles. They also have some, you can say, tracks that you can test the vehicles. Jeep is offering that, so we'll take you on that also. We'll take a look at some other manufacturers that are here. Alfa Romeo is here, Subaru is here. This is the EV9 from Kia. This is also same vehicle. This is the Nero EV. This is the EV6 from Kia. K4. So some vehicle for everybody. If you need an SUV, they have those options. If you have sedan, they have those options also. So really, lots of vehicles from Kia here. We also have Alfa Romeo over here. Most manufacturers want to show their vehicles because this is a well-attended event. So they want the consumers to see the vehicles. Looks almost like the G-Wagon. Well, changes at the back, but the front, if people are familiar with the Mercedes G-Wagon, this looks exactly like it. So this is a new brand that will be available most likely starting this year. And the brand name is we have Subaru over here, their vehicles. Every vendor offers some, you can say, incentive or something that people that are individuals that are visiting the International Auto Show can take advantage of. So this is what's available from Subaru. Different vehicles. This looks like an EV vehicle. You can tell it's an EV vehicle if it does not have a grille. Most, you can see EV vehicles don't have a grille, so that's how you can tell if it's an EV vehicle or not. Also, if it says EV on the side, then it's an EV vehicle. Another indication is if they have lines at the back, full, you can say rear lights, that's also an indication of an EV vehicle. Or you can just check the badges. Easier to find out. They're still setting up some of the vehicles for tomorrow. Official opening is tomorrow until the 23rd of February. This is another vehicle from Subaru. Looks like one of their sports vehicles. The BRZ TS. They're showing off the Jeep. So they have different tracks, different ramps available that you can test out the vehicle. They will be taking you. They're showcasing the capability of the vehicles, what the vehicles can do. It's pretty good. This will be available to individuals that visit the Canadian National Auto Show. Now we will be going towards the Chrysler Dodge Ram booth. See the vehicles that are available. This is the line to test out the vehicles. Now we are at the Chrysler Dodge Ram and Jeep booth. This is what's available from them. We will just take a general look at what's available. If you would like to see full coverage, we will have that on our TV channel afterwards, or you can visit the Canadian International Auto Show to take a look, in-depth look at the vehicles available. See? This looks like an electric charger. If you listen closely, you can hear. You can hear. This is artificial sound that's coming out of the car. Because this is an electric vehicle, they add some, you can say, extra sound just to give the same feeling. This is starting at 57,830. The one that's shown is 108,000. Dodge Charger Daytona BEV. We have Rams here. Dodge SRT. Chrysler Grand Caravan. Now we are at the Hyundai booth. This is the best car of 2025 as voted by Canadian Car of the Year Award, Utility Vehicle of the Year. So there has been lots of, you can say, talk about this vehicle, the Hyundai Santa Fe. You can take a look at this at the Canadian International Auto Show happening from tomorrow, 14th to the 23rd of February. It's a plug-in hybrid from Hyundai. The Hyundai Santa Cruz XRT. Utility vehicle. These are some of their vehicles that they're showcasing. So almost all displays are open for the media today. They will be closed off tomorrow, but you will be able to take a look at other vehicles. The vehicles over here will be behind glass tomorrow. So these are almost concept vehicles, some of them. They're not available for sale. So this is, as I said, this is a pre-production model. So they're just showcasing what you might be able to get. This will be the Hyundai Ioniq 5. These are the Hyundais that are available. Simulators available for users that will be attending the Canadian National Auto Show. Hyundai Elantra. Now we're at the Maserati. So most vehicles are open today. They might not be open tomorrow, but most vehicles will have their mirrors open so you can take a look inside. This is one of the new SUV from Maserati. It's the Maserati Celio MC20.
You guys were like the people in the car. I'm like, can you please stop it? I mean, we're supposed to be fine for today, okay? I know. But you're supposed to like wherever you are, you're supposed to have a for them, maybe like, so maybe after. Both were quite good.
Yes.
So these are the vehicles that are showcased from Maserati at the Canadian National Auto Show. This is the vehicle that's showcased from McLaren. This is the Grand Touring Automotive booth. We have the Rolls-Royce Cullinan over here. The Bentley Continental GT Special Speed, sorry. The Lamborghini Urus SE. These are available at the Grand Touring Automotive booth at the International Auto Show at the Metro Convention Center. Here's the new Aston Martin. This is something you don't see every day. £3.1 million. So you can double that, about $6 million. We have the Bugatti Chiron. Pure Sport, $4.799 million. As I showed you before, we have the Rolls-Royce Cullinan and the Rolls-Royce is their electric vehicle. Rolls-Royce Ghost Series 2. We also have cars from Ferrari over here. Some of you might heard this about this brand, Lucid, known for their electric vehicles.
Yeah.
We have two models from Lucid over here. Of the Lucid Air Pure. And the Lucid Air Grand Touring. And now we're here at the Infiniti booth. So some vehicles that will be available for viewing at the Infiniti booth. It's a very popular vehicle, Infiniti Q80. This is the new version, the Q80 Sensory, one of the top lines for this vehicle. So this compares to the Escalade and other full vehicles. Running boards for easy access. Fold down seats for storage. So this is what's available from Infiniti booth. So this looks like one of the other top lines from Q Infiniti all new Q80. So minor changes in the vehicle. This is the autograph one, so it's the top of the line also. Now we're going towards the Nissan booth. These are the vehicles available from Nissan, the Nissan Kick. The Nissan Kick display. The Nissan Z, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. Nissan Sentra. Nissan Altima. The all-new Murano. This is one of the popular vehicles from Nissan also. So major interior change, upgrade. We have the Nissan Rogue over here. The EV from Nissan. This is the Nissan Ariya. Very popular vehicle. I've seen a lot of them on the road, so most people are getting the Nissan electric vehicles. Very good interior. Very clean and compact interior. Not many controls. I think they've tried to be like Tesla and leave all the controls to the screens. %100% electrical vehicle. It's one of the upgraded, some different, we say upgrades, different trims of the vehicle, different wheels, aerodynamic wheels, different seating material. Here we have the Nissan Armada. So this compares to the Infiniti Q80. So Nissan and Infiniti are sister brands. So they have similar vehicles. The trim is a little different. Some of them, the technology is a little better in the Infiniti as compared to Nissan. But most feature, the design and other features are pretty similar because they are similar vehicles. Running boards for easy entry and exit. Lots of room. Different trims of the vehicle. This might, yes, this is the more, you could say, luxurious trim of the Armada. As you can see with the seats. It's available for 87,850. The one that's shown is 113,565. Now we're gonna head over to Mercedes. Mercedes is back. They were away for about 3 years at the Canadian National Auto Show. They're showcasing their EV vehicles. This is the B class. It will be the EQB, EQB 300. This is a 7-seater, if I'm not mistaken. This looks like this is the 5-seat variant, but you can get this in a 7-seat configuration. This is the EQE. This is compared to the E-Class, GL E-Class, all electric. We have the Hyperscreen over here. And this is the all-new electric G-Wagon from Mercedes. So instead of the vehicle at the back, they have the charger at the back now. It's available for $264,372. The all-new electric G-Wagon. You can see the battery at the bottom. And we have the all-new Maybach EQS. So they have the EQS 450, EQS 550, and they have the EQS 680, if I'm not mistaken. The EQS 680 Maybach. If it's at the back, it has option for the fridge. You can install it. Speakers at the back. As compared to this, to the EQS, the regular one, it has lots of luggage, lots of space, storage space at the back. Very wide opening doors for easy entry exit, running boards, and this is the 4-seat configuration with a central console, screens. We'll take a look at the inside just a bit. So, upgrade leather because the Maybach also have the Hyperscreen inside. compare this to the normal EQS 450, 550. The 550 does have the Hyperscreen standard. It is a little bit more comfortable, but I don't see why the price is so high. It's just because of the, you can say, Maybach. For 339.22, the normal EQS starts around 175. The 550 is close to 200,000, so $110,000 jump for the Mercedes EQS 680 Maybach. Other vehicles available from Mercedes, this will be the GLC. This is a plug-in hybrid GLC 350E. So you would have charging ports and gas port on the other side. Starting at 83,688. Here we have the Mercedes 450E. Most vehicles that are shown here are plug-in hybrid or all electric vehicles. So this is the GLC 450E. This will be the 5-seat configuration. This is in the emerald green color. So you have two options. You can get the GLE 450E or the EQE that's available over there. So this is that one is the full electric. This is the plug-in hybrid. Running board. Most vehicles that are a little higher have the running board available for easy entry, easy access. Mercedes is known for very luxurious interiors, so that is one of the big advantages for Mercedes. Here we have the Mercedes CLE 300, CLA 250. This does not come in an electric or plug-in hybrid variant. We have Mercedes AMG SL63. The Mercedes AMG GT63. This is at 260,654 GT63 4MATIC Coupe Plus. Most Mercedes are going with the display now. It's their Innovation MBUX.
I want to do an interior shot.
And their showcase vehicle. Or you take a look at the Kia Subaru, Maserati Alfa Romeo. This is the Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, Jeep, and Ram. So this is one of the many floors. There are 3 floors at the Metro Convention Center. We have Nissan. Just took a look at the Mercedes, Infiniti, Hyundai, and the Grand Touring Automotive is where Lamborghini, Bentley, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Bugatti, other brands are over there. Now we will go towards the other brands that are available. So this has the South, you can say South Hall and North Hall. The other brands will be available at the other hall. We're here at the Canadian National Auto Show, happening from tomorrow, 14th February to 23 February at the Metro Convention Centre in downtown Toronto on Dalhab Hati with Toronto 360 TV. And we're showcasing you new vehicles that will be launching this year and vehicles that are available for different manufacturers. You can take a look at all these vehicles at the Metro Convention Centre, downtown Toronto, starting February 14th tomorrow until February 23rd, 2025, Metro Convention Centre, downtown Toronto. Now we're going towards the other conference center where other manufacturers will be available there. Toyota, Honda, other manufacturers that we haven't seen yet. So stay tuned. If you have any comments, if you want to see a vehicle, a special vehicle, you can always give us a comment below and we'll be able to show you the vehicles that are available. It's a map for all the vehicles that are available. Now we're going towards the other exhibit where other vehicles will be available. So this is the Sprinter from Mercedes. Different variants available. So we're just going through the vehicles showcase now. We're going towards the other exhibition center. There's two different halls available, the north and the south hall. Once again, the EQS Maybach. This is the new E-Class. E53 from Mercedes. Now we'll go on the Jeep Experience. Enter here. Yep.
Wristband, and then you're going to scan this QR code and fill out this waiver.
Sure.
No, it's online right now. Yeah.
You find me when it's better. It's getting Off to a good start.
Are you doing the runs tonight too?
Yes. I'm going to be here every day.
We're just getting ready for the Jeep experience.
Are we reviewing tonight?
I believe so, yeah. But Lena, over in the middle there, she's going to be in her and Jason. Those two people right there are going to be Danielle.
Kim.
Nice to meet you, Kim. Good to see you, I should say. Yes.
Type it in, but if you scan it,
Celebrity? Yeah.
no, I was just.
That's your walking opinion right there.
Ah, that's nice.
Hey, isn't that Kim coming up the street?
That's nice.
No. It's just kind of the way you walk. How many?
One.
One of them. Over here, yeah. You're on the pink one.
Perfect.
Front, back, doesn't matter. Your seatbelt, hear that click, and you're good.
Thank you.
Yeah, just keep pushing. Welcome. You ready?
Yep, perfect.
Awesome. My name's Zach. If you have any questions, let me know. There's right here. R&D Wrangler Rubicon 392. V8 64 Hemi.
So we are expecting the Jeep.
Or maybe even sand or dirt. Once again, you have to get around it or go through it. Just showing you that you can't get around it. Even at this angle. This is our off camber up here. You can kind of see how it's uneven. Basically a frame structure test. One of the suspension depth test. Once I see those Jeeps move a little bit farther ahead, I'll take down. Do you have any questions so far?
Nope. You're giving good information, so I'm going live right now, so it's all good. Perfect.
Yeah, I'll keep going then. So this is our off camber. Back down. 2 reads across the Jeep. Go back to the thing.
Perfect.
Like it?
Perfect. Love it. Love it.
Good.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for stopping by. Enjoy the rest of the show.
So this was the Jeep experience. There's different, you can see Jeeps available that you can test out. So just setting up all their things over here right now.
Yeah. I
Now we're going to try to go to the other exhibition. We can see other vehicles that are available. As I mentioned before, we have the VinFast, a new electric car company.
Presented in partnership with Palm Beach Concours d'Elegance, a show of elegant and rarely seen automobiles, often viewed as art, held each September.
So we're here at the Canadian International Auto Show happening at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre in downtown Toronto, starting tomorrow, February 14th until February 23rd. You can see different vehicles that are available. Now we're going to the other hall where other manufacturers are. Lots of walking, but you will have opportunities to sit down and enjoy different vehicles.
What are you doing?
So all the vehicles that are available. All the vehicles. Now we're going towards the North Hall.
Deliver what drivers want to go further on a single charge, enable longer life of transmission and component parts, and ensure long-lasting battery health. Castrolon is a range of advanced EV fluids, including EV transmission fluids, EV thermal fluids, and EV greases. Castrolon EV fluids play a major role in helping EVs go further, charge faster, and last longer. Go further.
So this is the tunnel that connects the two different halls. Now we're going towards the other hall.
Charge faster. EV thermal fluids help reduce the maximum temperatures which the cells reach during ultra-fast charging. Last longer. EV transmission fluids help protect gears and extend the life of the drivetrain system. Ever wanted to work in the automotive industry? Welcome to the Automotive Business School of Canada.
So we can go downtown and explore different things that are available.
The Automotive Business School of Canada is dedicating up their leaders in the automotive industry by providing specialized training in automotive business management. If you're passionate about the automotive industry and looking to accelerate your career,
So here's a map of what's available. Different manufacturers that will be here. And this is the manufacturer that will be available. So every floor has different, you can say, automakers showcasing their vehicles. We have BMW M here. Vehicle from BMW. So these are all electric vehicles from BMW. They have the i4 over here. The i5. So they have different variants for each, you can say. So then they have an SUV that's available. The iX. This compares to the EQS, EQS, and other vehicles from different manufacturers, from like the Tesla Model Y, Tesla Model X. This would be a comparison to the Tesla Model X. We have the BMW i7, very popular. I've seen a few on the street. We will take a look at the interior on our way back. 100% electric vehicles from BMW. On the other side, they have other vehicles available from BMW. The XM label.
We all know the XM.
Here we have the X7 from BMW. Specs and pricing. We'll take a look at the inside. The X7 compares to the Mercedes GLS and the Audi Q7. The X5. The specs of the X5 and the pricing. We have the X3 over here. The X1 here. So different variants from BMW. We'll take a look at the interior of the iX just to give our viewers a peek at the inside of what BMW's electric vehicle is like in the inside. So when you pop the door, the mirror goes a little down the window for easy entry, easy access. Very simple and compact design on the inside. A little close to the Nissan Ariya, if I may say, but very good material. Very nice material on the inside. 5-seat configuration. This is the BMW iX. You can tell a vehicle's build quality by how much noise is coming on the inside. So if you can hear me properly, if you can hear me completely fine, that's really good build quality. The rear hatch is open, that's why there is some noise coming in.
Adjusting the upper backrest provides support to the shoulder region of your back. If possible, adjust the upper backrest so that your shoulders do not lose contact.
So
with
there
the
is no
button when your hands are on the
handle to
steering
get out.
wheel.
You would have to press this. That unlocks the door. Now we're going to try to take a look at the i7, the S-Class of BMW. So it's a Mercedes S-Class, but BMW's top flagship.
Adjusting the height allows you to optimize your all-round view.
Very compact interior.
Raise the seat so that you can see
Very good
past the
interior.
hood and to the road.
Even with this one, you would have to press the button to get out.
The distance between your head and the headliner should be at least 2 fingers.
So very compact and very good interior. Very good headrest and everything. Overall, very good build quality
BMW
of the
gesture
BMW.
control enables intuitive operation of
i8.
various functions. A camera in the roof.
So this is the top of the line. That's why it has the roller blinds. And very good. Even your seating, very compact. This one does not have the TV. The other configuration would have the TV that would pull down. You can watch TV inside. So overall, a very good vehicle. Now we're going to move on and take a look at other vehicles available from manufacturers. We'll be going one door down. They have other experiences from BMW that we'll be going at afterwards. So the bikes at the top. We're here at the Queen National Auto Show, as I mentioned before, happening from tomorrow to 23rd. I keep repeating it because I want everybody to know where we are and take full advantage. So different vendors here, Bell, Jardin Insurance, different tire companies. Here we have Ford, Volvo, and Chevrolet, other brands. We'll start with Ford first. It's the Ford Bronco. Specs of the vehicle. Bronco Raptor. Very nice. The Ford Bronco Sport. The police vehicle, as many refer to, but this is the SRST version, so it's a little powerful. Other vehicles from Ford over here. We have the Ford other vehicles from Ford. We have the Ford 2025 Mustang GTD. This is locked. The Ford F-150 Lightning. This is an electric truck from Ford. Ford Raptor, if I'm not mistaken. Electric vehicles from Ford. This is the Ford GT. Electric vehicle from Ford. The Ford Expedition. The Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick XLT. Another variation of the Ford Maverick. Hot Wheels monster truck. Now we're going to take a look at the award winners for this year. The Hyundai Santa Fe. Santa Fe. This is car of the year.
Thank you for calling me for this.
The Honda Civic, the Hyundai, and the BMW. Here we're at the Volvo display. The electric vehicle from Volvo. Very interesting heads-up display, or I would say just display. Heads-up display would be at the top. This is just the driver display. Very nice interior from Volvo. This is the Volvo XE90 Twin Performance. From Volvo. Now we're here at Chevrolet. Chevrolet. This is the Corvette Z06, starting from 175.24, and the vehicle that's shown is 228.745. take a look at the interior. So, like me, this might not be the best option, but the vehicle it's not meant to be comfortable. So, let's take a look at the vehicle. You have your controls over here. This looks like the hardtop one. Getting in and out of the vehicle is not supposed to be comfortable, so it does take some trying to get out. Here we have the Corvette Stingray. Starting price is $99,970. The vehicle shown up here is $140,824. Different variants from Chevrolet for the Corvette. This is the ZR1 from Chevrolet, the Corvette ZR1. Here we have the Corvette E-Ray. Starting price is $161,524. The vehicle shown over here is $193,348. This does look like an electric Corvette, but we'll take a look. Main thing is we have to find where the charging port is. No, so this is not. We'll try to take a look at the inside once the vehicle is vacant. We'll look at the other vehicles and we'll come back to this. Other vehicles from Chevrolet. We have the Bizarre RS. Trailblazer RS. Other vehicle over here. They're still setting up for tomorrow. Here's the Trax 2RS. Starting at $27,670. Vehicle shown $34,530. We have Lincoln over here. Other vehicle from Lincoln. We have the Lincoln, if I'm not mistaken, Navigator. Lincoln Navigator over here. Other Lincoln, the Aviator. We're at the Cadillac showcase now. Go ahead. So this is the Cadillac Escalade. compact interior, a very nice interior to be honest. Let me just clarify, when I say compact, I mean comfortable. This is nothing compact, it's a large vehicle. Three screens going until the passenger seat. This looks like the 7-seat configuration or a 6-seat configuration with the console in the middle. This is the Cadillac IQ, Escalade IQ, electric Cadillac Escalade from Cadillac. So this would be like the electric you can Escalade, so pretty good. I will show the outside one more time. So the good thing with Cadillac is they're building the vehicles pretty much same as the gas-powered vehicles. This is from the outside. Take a look at the back. Cadillac IQ, Escalade IQ, 1000 E4. That's the trim level. The Cadillac Lyra here, another electric vehicle from Cadillac. We have all electric 2025 optics. The all electric 2025 Lyriq. The rear seats. This is 600 E4. The all-new Vistec from Cadillac. Other vehicles from Cadillac. Now we're going towards the OPP showcase where they're showing their different vehicles from the OPP. They have their OPP bikes. Their ATV from the OPP. The OPP truck. Different vehicles from the OPP. Now we're here at the Lexus showcase. This is the Lexus, I believe, RX 500H. So this looks like the hybrid. is also another popular vehicle from Lexus just released, Lexus TX350. We'll take a look at the inside. The details of the vehicle, starting at 72,090. The one displayed here is 82,840. The Lexus GX 550. It's the redesigned one.
GLE is like mid-large. It's still big. GLE
There are vehicles from Lexus. The RX. The TX. This would be the Lexus RC, I would assume. LC. Other vehicles from Lexus. We'll take a look at the LX Lexus. It's a very popular this is the hybrid vehicle. If we compare this to the Mercedes GLS, it is somewhat comparable, but I would assume the GLS would be a bit above this. The one shown here is 142,144. Display price, starting price 125,335. Another brand we have here is Polestar. Polestar 4. Electric brand. Vehicles available from the police. Here we have the Toyota. Different vehicles from Toyota. Toyota Prius. Here we have the Toyota Crown. Toyota Highlander. Corolla Hybrid. The Crown again. This would be the Toyota Mirai. Very nice interior. BZ4X electric vehicle from Toyota. RAV4 plug-in hybrid. GS plug-in hybrid. Vehicles from Toyota. The Land Cruiser from Toyota. Popular vehicle. This does not compare to the Land Cruiser in other parts of the world. It is a bit rugged, not that luxurious as compared to other Land Cruisers in the world. Forerunner, Sequoia. The one shown here is 105,931, starting from 87,130. This one does not have the running boards, so getting in and out might be a little difficult. This is also a hybrid vehicle. Other vehicles from Toyota, the GR86, the GR Supra, starting at 65,730. One shown here is 73,140. So it is comfortable, but for me, headroom is a little tight. Toyota Tacoma. We have brands from GMC here. Electric vehicle from GMC. The GMC Denali. This is in comparison to the Escalade and other big vehicles from other manufacturers. So you have two options, the rear mirror, one electric, the other one is your own real one. Very comfortable interior of the GMC Denali. Starting price 98770. The one shown here is 150,130. The other brand here is Buick. And we already took a look at Chevrolet and the other brands they have. So we'll exit and we'll try taking a test drive on the new Mercedes G-Wagon. And we almost forgot Tesla. It's the Tesla dual motor Model Y. Here we have the Model X. And the famous Cybertruck. the Model 3 and the Model. This is also a Model 3. Model S, sorry. And the vehicle concept from Tesla. All vehicles are unlocked for Tesla. We'll go through the Lexus showcase towards test driving the Mercedes G550. Cadillac booth. Here we have the G580. All-electric G-Wagon from Mercedes. Other vehicles available for test drive. Pretty much same interior as the G-Wagon. As I mentioned before, it does not come with a spare wheel. The charger is inside the rear now. Another vehicle. Upstairs we will have the Audi showcase. Different shops that will be opening tomorrow. Different vehicles from Audi. the RS3, the R8 GT from Audi. This is indeed one of the best displays at the Canadian International Auto Show. Very different from the rest. We have the Q6 e-tron, the SQ6 e-tron. So all of these are electric vehicles from Audi. The A5. SQ5. The RS6 GT. Different vehicles from Audi. So, vehicles from Mini. McLaren built out of Legos. So it's a replica of this vehicle. The Lego display. Frontal Star setting up their balloons. Some other vehicles. Different shop that will be opening tomorrow. We will be going back up. This is the Canadian National Auto Show happening at the Metro Convention Centre in downtown Toronto, starting tomorrow, February 14th until February 23rd. You can get tickets. You can search Canadian National Auto Show happening in downtown Toronto, Metro Toronto Convention Centre. We are back at the BMW showcase. And the M5 Touring, the M4. This was the Canadian National Auto Show happening at the Metro Toronto Convention Centre in downtown Toronto, happening from tomorrow, February 14th to February 23rd. You can buy tickets at Canadian National Auto Show. Search it on Google, you'll find more information. This was Talha Hatif with Toronto CCTV. This is ending for today. For more information, you can comment below. We'll try to answer your questions. For more information, just search Canadian National Auto Show on Google. You'll be able to find more information, and you can buy tickets for your family here. It's a good experience. If you're interested in cars, there's lots of things here for you. You can take a look. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. So these are all the brands that will be available at the other hall, in North Hall. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.